Hi you guys, it's Jynesha here, and I'm going to be making breakfast for all my siblings. I'm going to be making pancakes, bacon, and eggs. And before I start to watch this video, I want you guys to like and subscribe. Let's get into the video. I'm going to pour the pancake mix in here. We're going to put 6 to 7 mix, but we're going to put just a little bit more because last time we made it, there was not enough for everybody to get 2 pancakes. So, let's just pour it. So we're going to use all of this pancake mix. Okay, and we're going to put this in there. Now we'll get some water. We need 1 cup of water. Okay, now I'm going to pour this in there. This is kind of looking a little bit watery, so we're going to put a little bit more pancake mix. Just beat it. It's looking good. You see? There's a few little lumps, but we can get that out. Okay, now I'm going to pour it in the cup so it can make a perfect circle. Okay, that looks good. Okay, now we have our lightly greased skillet, and now we're going to pour 2 pancakes in. Okay, now that one wasn't kind of like a circle shape. We're going to try to make a circle shape. Think that looks good. I'm going to put a little bit more. And it spreads out by itself. You always make sure your heat is on medium. Okay, we're going to wait until these pop on top, and that's when you know it's cooking. Okay, now we're going to flip these pancakes. Good. Now you both look a perfectly good brown color. They smell delicious. Only if you guys can smell them, it smells delicious. Okay, we're going to wait for the other side. Okay, now we're going to check these. And they look really good. Okay, now I'm going to get the other one. Flip that over. Looks good. Okay, now we're going to make some more pancakes. I think that looks pretty good. Make another one. We need to make 8 pancakes because there's 4 kids. Those look pretty good. Now they gotta sizzle, 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 sizzle. Okay, now we're gonna check these pancakes. Pretty good. It's a good, neat, brownish, goldish color. So we're gonna wait for the other side. And make sure you keep a little oil on the bottom of your skillet. As you can see, I'm moving around to see if there's any dough or mix. And it's cooking. And now all I gotta do is let it cook inside. And we're gonna check it in a few minutes. So we're gonna flip these. Now we're gonna flip this one. I'm gonna let those sit. Okay, now I'm gonna take these out. First, let's look at them. This one looks good. I'm gonna take that off. Put it right there. And this is very fluffy. All these are very, very fluffy. It looks good, and they're all fluffy. Okay, now we're gonna do this last pancake. Okay, that looks really good. It smells really good. And pancakes cook really fast. And once we get done with this pancakes, we're gonna start making the eggs and bacon. Okay, I turned my stove on low, and I'm gonna add the turkey bacon. Since it's already cooked, I'm just heating it up. And don't worry, if you do this, it's okay to get popped, because I got popped so many times. That is my eggs. And as you see, it's already forming. I'm going to take a fork. And we're going to put some sea salt. And we need, because the regular salt, the other thing is my trip. That's it. And pepper. Okay. And now, sprinkle a little pepper. Looks good. Put it over there. And this is our finished product. They're pretty delicious. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Bye y'all!